Hello friend, in this lecture we will discuss on what is an HTML tag. So friend, let's start. An HTML tag defines how the web browser will format and display the content to the user. Thus whatever content that we want to show to the user through the web browser, that has to be written using this tag. Now the question is how we can define or create this HTML tag. Now to create this HTML tag, we have to use the opening angle bracket and the closing angle bracket, and putting some content or some character or word within this opening angle bracket and the closing angle bracket will create a tag in HTML. Now basically when we talk about HTML tag, it is composed of two parts, the opening tag or the start tag and the closing tag or the end tag. Now you might be thinking, what is the difference between this opening tag and a closing tag? The closing tag will always match the opening tag except it has one extra forward slash just after the opening angle bracket. Now let me quickly show you a sample code snippet for the opening tag and the closing tag. Now in this example, your H1, that is angle bracket H1, and the closing angle bracket is an opening tag, and angle bracket forward slash H1 and the closing angle bracket represents the closing tag. So in this example, we have both the opening tag and the closing tag, and there is some content in between this opening tag and the closing tag. But there might be some cases which does not have any content, hence it does not need any closing tag. Only opening tag is enough. A few examples of such tags are the BR tag or the HR tag. Now this BR tag will not have any content in it. Instead, it will just give a line break. That is, we have some content to be displayed in the web browser, and in between this content we want to have a line break. So using this BR tag, we can get that line break between some word or the characters. And likewise, using the HR tag, we can provide a horizontal line between two words or two sentences or any contains. Now please don't worry about this tag now, cause we will be having a separate dedicated lectures describing each of these tag in detail. Now a very important point to note, a web browser always reads an HTML document from top to bottom and from left to right. So this is about the tag in HTML. Thank you for watching.